Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. So, students, in last class we have finished with the chapter number 5, that is bird watching, from your English reader textbook. So, we have finished with this chapter. We have completed till the page number 48. Now, we will do the exercises related to this chapter. So, first of all, I would like to give you some classwork related to this chapter. You have to write down the difficult words which are given here. I'll send you the picture of this page also, which words you have to write down in your copy. There are some about 20 words which you have to write in your copy, and you have to learn their spellings also. Okay, then the word meanings. You have to learn the word meanings of these given words. Like first word is hobby. What is hobby? Hobby means something that you like doing when you are not working. The work which you enjoy doing when you are not doing your regular work, that work is known as hobby. Then the popular. Popular means liked by a lot of people. Popular means ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ या व्यक्ति जिसको बहुत सारे लोग पसंद करते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? पॉपुलर. इन हिंदी वी कैन से इट मशहूर. ओके. Then extremely. Extremely means strongly. Strongly. Then fond of. Fond of means like something a lot. किसी चीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Fond of. Then considered. Thought about something. किसी चीज़ के बारे में या किसी के बारे में, किसी भी व्यक्ति के बारे में या किसी चीज़ के बारे में थिंक करना, उसके बारे में विचार करना, सोचना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? कंसिडर्ड. किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में सोच विचार करना या किसी भी व्यक्ति के बारे में सोच विचार करना, उसको अपने ध्यान में रखना, इस चीज़ को क्या बोलते हैं? कंसिडर्ड. थॉट अबाउट समथिंग. फ्लैपिंग. फ्लैपिंग मीन्स मूव क्विकली अप एंड down. This kind of movement, moving quickly up and down, what is that called? Flapping. Like this, flapping. I'm flapping my notebook like this. Okay. Discover. Find or learn something for the first time. Discover means find or learn something for the first time. Whenever you learn something for the first time, that is known as the discover. Okay. Then patience. The capacity to wait calmly. Patience. What is the meaning of patience? The capacity to wait calmly. Whenever you want to do something, you need to have the patience. While doing any work, you have to do that work with the very much of patience. Because if you hurry while doing any work, जैसे while painting, while writing, if you do hurry, your work won't be that neat and clean. That is why while doing any work, you need to keep some patience. Only then you will have the good result at the end. The capacity to wait calmly. अच्छे से धीरज से वेट करना, किसी भी चीज़ के लिए रुक रुक के धीरज से काम करना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पेशेंस. देन कॉबवेब. स्पाइडर्स वेब. मकड़ी के जाले को क्या बोलते हैं? कॉबवेब. सीव्स. सीव्स मतलब स्टिचेस समथिंग टुगेदर. किसी भी चीज़ को एक साथ जोड़ना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सीव्स. सिलना या जोड़ना, उसको बोलते हैं सीव्स. नाउ विल डू द एक्सरसाइजेस फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. Complete the following using the words given in the help box. So there is one paragraph in which there are some missing words. There are some blank spaces. We have to fill up these blank spaces with the help of this help box. We have to use these words which are given in the help box to fill up the blank spaces. Shall we start then? Dr. Salim Ali is called the dash dash of India. So Dr. Salim Ali is called the Birdman of India. Is there a word Birdman? Yes, there is a word Birdman. So you have to write it down over here. Because he was extremely dash dash of birds. What was he? He was extremely fond of birds. तो यहाँ पे लिखना है fond of. Is there a word fond of in the help box? Yes, so write it down over here. Then next line, he made dash dash a very interesting hobby. Which hobby he made very interesting? Yes, he made bird watching a very interesting hobby. So you have to write here bird watching. Then he dash dash all over the world to study different types of bird. So to study different types of birds, what he used to do? Dr. Salim Ali used to travel all over the world to study the different types of birds. तो यहाँ पे आएगा he traveled. The missing word over here is traveled, and we have this word already in the help box. So you have to choose this word from the help box and write it down. He spread his knowledge of dash dash and fought to save them from the hunters. So this Dr. Salim Ali was having the huge knowledge and information about which thing? Yes, he used to study the birds. So we can say that he was having the huge knowledge and information about the birds. So here we have to fill up the blank space with the word birds. Do we have this word in the help box? Yes. So write it down here. He spread his knowledge of birds and fought to save them from hunters. You can be a dash dash if you have a lot of patience. Lot of dash dash. So you can be a bird watcher. The person who does bird watching, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Bird watcher. जो भी व्यक्ति बर्ड वॉचिंग का काम करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं बर्ड वॉचर. सो यू कैन बी अ बर्ड वॉचर इफ यू हैव lot of patience. What you need to become a bird watcher? You need to have lots of patience if you want to be the bird watcher. bird watcher बनना है तो हमें अपने आप को बहुत ही कामली काम करने की आदत डालनी पड़ेगी. हमें अपने आप को बहुत ही ज़्यादा धीरज रखने की आदत डालनी पड़ेगी. पेशेंस मतलब धीरज. ओके. Next exercise B, answer in one word. So we have to answer these questions in one word. First, the national bird of India. Which is the national bird of India? Yes, you all must be knowing that the national bird of India is peacock. The smallest bird in India. Yes, the name of the smallest bird in India is already mentioned in this chapter. What was that name? Yes, it was the flower pecker. Third one, the person who popularized bird watching in India. Who popularized the bird watching hobby in India? Yes, Dr. Salim Ali popularized the bird watching in India. So you have to write Dr. Salim Ali. Fourth one, this bird sieves its nest. Which bird sieves its nest? Yes, it is also mentioned in the chapter. The tailor bird, है ना? The tailor bird sieves its nest. The tailor bird sieves its nest together with leaves and cobweb thread. है ना? So the name is the tailor bird. Next, fifth one. This bird makes a humming sound. Which bird makes a humming sound? Yes, hummingbird makes the humming sound. That is why this bird is named hummingbird, because it makes the humming sound. Then I have given you the few additional questions related to this chapter only. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What all things you need to टेक अप बर्ड वॉचिंग एज अ हॉबी. इसमें ये क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि आपको कौन सी चीज़ें ज़रूरी है अगर आपको बर्ड वॉचिंग हॉबी शुरू करनी है. तो ऐसे इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है. सो आंसर इज़ ऑल यू नीड इज़ अ पेयर ऑफ बायनोकुलर्स, अ नोटबुक, pencil and lots of patience to take up bird watching as a hobby. If you want to take up bird watching as a hobby, then what all things you need? We need a pair of binoculars to watch these birds, है ना? These birds might be far away from us and we want to observe them very clearly. That is why we need the binoculars. With the help of binoculars, we can watch the things which are far from us those things which cannot be seen clearly with open eyes, but with the help of binoculars we can see those things clearly. So if you want to observe these birds closely, we need the binoculars. Binoculars मतलब दूरबीन, जिससे दूर की चीज़ पास दिखाई देती है. Then we need a notebook. Why do we need a notebook? We will need a notebook if we want to be a bird watcher, so that we can note down and make a points about the birds, their activities, how they look, their features, है ना, how they build their nest. All these things can be noted down in the notebook. Then we need a pencil to write in the notebook. And the main important thing is lots and lots of patience. What we need is patience, because this bird watching hobby needs lots and lots of patience. Without patience you can't become a bird watcher, because ये birds जो होते हैं वो अपना कोई certain pattern follow नहीं करते, routine follow नहीं करते. Someday they will might come into the place where you are doing the bird watching, or someday they will not just come over there, है ना. For that you have to be regular and patience with your work. That is why they are mentioning that you need to be the patient. Okay, next question number 2. Give some information about डॉक्टर सलीम अली. हमें डॉक्टर सलीम अली के बारे में कुछ जानकारी है, तो वो लिखने के लिए बोला है. इस क्वेश्चन का ऐसे मीनिंग है. आंसर: डॉक्टर सलीम अली मेड बर्ड वॉचिंग पॉपुलर इन इंडिया. जो डॉक्टर सलीम अली थे उन्होंने इंडिया में बर्ड वॉचिंग को पॉपुलर या मशहूर बना दिया. He was extremely fond of birds. Also, this Dr. Salim Ali was extremely fond of birds. He used to like birds a lot. That is why he used to enjoy watching them. Then he gave a lot of information about different birds to the world. Also, he did a lot of research and studies about the birds, and he gave the world lot of information about these birds. So this is nothing but the information about Dr. Salim Ali. These two are the additional questions which I have given you from this chapter. Okay, then we will do the grammar exercises which are based on this chapter. Complete the following paragraph using a, an or the. तो हमें ये जो पैराग्राफ दिया है उसमें ये 3 ए, एन और दे, इनमें से कोई भी एक आर्टिकल चूज करना है और लिखना है. ए, एन एंड द आर नथिंग बट द आर्टिकल्स. तो आर्टिकल्स when we use article a, we use article a when the word begins with consonant, है ना. And when we use article an, we use article an when the word begins with vowel. And when we use article the, we use article the for those things which are, for those nouns which are plurals, है ना, और for such nouns which are वन ऑफ अ काइंड. कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो दुनिया में सिर्फ एक ही पाई जाती है, ऐसी चीज़ों के लिए भी हम आर्टिकल द यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे द मून, द सन, द रिवर, है ना. तो और प्लूरल होता है तो भी आप द आर्टिकल लगा सकते हो. सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. Tweety was dash dash pretty bird. So pretty bird. So this is nothing but the bird, and the adjective is pretty, and it is beginning with the consonant. That is why we have to put article a. Then she had dash dash egg in her nest. She had what? Egg. Egg is the noun, and egg is beginning with the vowel e. That's why we have to use article an. Likewise, one day dash dash egg hatched and out came a baby. So यहाँ पे again the word is beginning with the vowel. That's why we have to use article an. Similar way we have to fill up all these blank spaces. If the word is beginning with the consonant, you have to use article a. If the word is beginning with the vowel, you have to use the article an. ठीक है. So I hope you have understood how to do this exercise. Then the next exercise is related to word building. Here what we have to do is, I'll read it first. Sometimes two or more words are joined together to form a new word. This word is called a compound word. कभी कभी क्या होता है, दो या दो से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स को एक साथ लिखते हैं या ज्वाइन कर देते हैं, जिससे हमें कोई नया वर्ड मिल जाता है, और उसी नए वर्ड को क्या बोलते हैं हम, कंपाउंड वर्ड. समटाइम्स we join two or more than two words together to form a new word. That word is known as compound word. दो या दो से ज़्यादा वर्ड मिला के जो वर्ड बनता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, कंपाउंड वर्ड. Now have a look at this. Post plus man. Post is the different word, man is also a different word, but when we join them together, post and man को, तो क्या बनता है, post man. Likewise, wind is the different word, mill is the different word, but when we join these two words together, wind plus mill will form the new word windmill. Over plus coat will form new word overcoat. Tea plus spoon will form the new word teaspoon. Moon plus light will form the new word moonlight. Water plus melon will form the new word watermelon. ठीक है? I hope you have understood how to write these compound words. So in this way we have done with the exercises also. If you have any queries, any doubts related to this chapter, you can ask me. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.